Find the axis of symmetry of a parabola. Well, when it's written in standard form, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, the axis of symmetry for any parabola is negative b over 2a. For this one, it is in standard form. Here's my a, my b, and my c. So the axis of symmetry here would be negative 8, which is positive 8, over 2 times a, which is 2. This is 8 over 4, or just 2. My axis of symmetry is x equals 2. If I was to sketch the graph of this parabola, what I would need to do next is make a table of values centered around this axis of symmetry. So I'm going to have x values and y values, which are equal to 2x squared minus 8x plus 3. My x values will be centered around 2. I'm going to go 3 points to the left, 1, 0, negative 1, and 3 points to the right, which is 3, 4, and 5. To get my corresponding y values, I would need to plug them into that equation. So 2 times negative 1 squared minus 8 times negative 1 plus 3 is equal to 13. You can also use your calculator to help you with this table of values. On your calculator, if you go to y equals, clear anything that's in there, you can type in this equation, 2x squared minus 8x plus 3. Enter. If I want my table of values, I hit the second button, and then table. And I can scroll up or down to get whichever values I like. For my table, I want values between negative 1 and 5. My calculator will give this to me. Then I just have to transfer all of my values over. Once I've transferred all my values over to my table, what I'm going to do is use these values to plot several points on my graph. So if you have graph paper, that's very convenient. If you don't, like I don't, I will make do. I'll make a set of axes labeled on x and y, and then I'll do a grid so that I have a points of reference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. And when I look at this, I see that I have to go up to 13, so I might make my scale over here go by 5s. 5, 10, negative 5, negative 10. Then I'm going to plot my points from my table. At negative 1, I am at 13. At 0, I am at 3. At 1, I am at negative 3. And at 2, I am at negative 5. Notice also my equation for the axis of symmetry is x equals 2. You could plot that axis of symmetry and then use that symmetry to help you find where each of your other points are going to go. Since it's symmetric around that axis, each point will have a mirror image, and then when I sketch my parabola, that's what I end up with. My last step is to write the equation of this parabola, 2x squared